Hi guys, in today's video we're going to be learning like singular and plural in Igbo language, like singular and plural, just the same way in English language. We also have it in Igbo language. And number one here is book. Book in Igbo is akwụkwọ. Book in Igbo is akwụkwọ. Then books, when you put the S, books in Igbo is ọtụtụ akwụkwọ. Ọtụtụ akwụkwọ, that's many books. The S there is plural, many, and many is Igbo is ọtụtụ, ọtụtụ akwụkwọ, ọtụtụ akwụkwọ. And another one here is car. Car is ụgbọala. The car you're driving. Boo. Car is ụgbọala. And cars, ọtụtụ ụgbọala, ọtụtụ ụgbọala. You must have noticed something here. And what did you notice? The ọtụtụ. Yes, ọtụtụ is many. So long as it has S, it means it's many, and many in Igbo is ọtụtụ. So any word you see that has S, make sure you add ọtụtụ before the word, then you got it correctly. Thank you for watching. Link in my bio. Follow me on my YouTube channel, and we can relate more. Okay, bye.